Hello, in this presentation I will explain how can you find inverse of a function, and I will start with very easy example. Let us say I have f of x is equals to 2x minus 5 and I want to find inverse function of this. Now I will tell you 4 steps. If you will follow that, you will be able to find inverse of any function very easily. So my step 1 is replace fx with y. So instead of fx, I will write y is equals to 2x minus 5. Now step 2, switch x and y. So this will be x is equals to 2y minus 5. Now step 3, isolate the y. So how can I isolate the y? I will add 5 both the sides. Now this 5 cancelled. I have x plus 5 is equals to 2y. Now I don't want 2y, I want y. So I will divide whole equation by 2. Now these two cancelled. So now I have x plus 5 over 2 is equals to y. Now we are done with 3 steps. What was the step 1? Replace fx by y, switch x and y, isolate the y. And now step 4, just rewrite this inverse of x is equals to x plus 5 over 2. So this is inverse of a given function. Simple. Let us see one more example. Here let's take example with the square root. So fx is equals to under root x plus 2 minus 8. Now we will follow the same 4 steps that I explained on previous page. So step 1 is replace fx by y. So y is equals to under root x plus 2 minus 8. Now step 2, switch x and y. So this will be x is equals to under root y plus 2 minus 8. Now step number 3, isolate the y. To isolate the y, I will add 8 here and I will add 8 here. So this will be x plus 8 is equals to, this is cancelled, under root y plus 2. Now I don't want this root sign, I want to remove this root sign. So what I can do squaring both the sides. Square this side and square this side. So now this root symbol and this square will be cancelled. So now this will be x plus 8 whole square is equals to y plus 2 because this square root and square is cancelled. Now I will subtract 2 from both the sides. So if I subtract 2 from both the sides, this will be cancelled. And now I have x plus 8 whole square minus 2 is equals to y. Now I can keep it like this, and if I want to simplify it further, I can simplify. So let us simplify this further. This is x plus 8 times x plus 8 minus 2 is equals to y. Now let's multiply this binomial by binomial. You already know how to do that. X times x, x square. X times 8, 8x, 8 times x, again 8x, and 8 times 8, 64, minus 2 equals to y. Now this will be x square, 8x, 8x makes 16x, 16x, 64 minus 2 is 62 is equals to y. Now I cannot further simplify this. So now I will replace this y by inverse of x. So inverse of x is equals to x square plus 16x plus 62. That's it, done. Let us see one more example. Let's take this example with the cube root. So function of x is equals to cube root of x plus 4 minus 3. Now let us follow the 4 steps. Step number 1, replace fx by y. So I will write y for fx and copy rest of the things. Now step number 2, switch x and y. So this will be x, this will be cube root y plus 4 minus 3. Now step number 3, isolate the y. But before I isolate the y, I need to add 3 both the sides because I don't want minus 3 here. Add 3 here. So this will be cancelled, cancelled. X plus 3 is equals to cube root of y plus 4. Now on previous page, to remove the square root, we squared both the sides. Here, to remove the cube root, I will do cube both the sides. So now this cube root and this 3 will be cancelled. So I have x plus 3 whole cube is equals to y plus 4. Now I will do subtraction both the sides. Minus 4, minus 4. So this will be x plus 3 cube minus 4 is equals to y. Now you can further simplify this, but I am not going to simplify. You can do x plus 3 times x plus 3 times x plus 3, and this is how you can go ahead. But you can write like this also. So now I will do step number 4. I have isolated the y. So step number 4, instead of y, write inverse of x. That equals to x plus 3 whole cube minus 4. Let us see one more example. Function of x is equal to, let's see little complex example, 3x minus 7 over 4x plus 5. Let us follow the same 4 steps. Step number 1, replace fx by y. So y is equals to 3x minus 7 over 4x plus 5. Now step number 2, switch x and y. So this will be x is equals to 3y minus 7 over 4y plus 5. Now let us say here we have 1, and now let's do the cross multiply. So I will take 1 over here and 4y plus 5 over here. So that will be x into bracket. This 4y plus 5 will go here. So 4y plus 5, and this side I have 1. This 1 I took here into bracket 3y minus 7. Now let us further simplify this. X times 4y. So that will be 4x. You can write 4yx also, but I am going in alphabetical order. X times 5 is 5x is equals to 3y minus 7. Now I will take 3y this side and I will take 5x this side. Reason you will understand soon. So this will be 4xy. Now if I change the side, this 3y will be negative 3y, and this will be minus 7. 5x, this side will be minus 5x. I will take y common from these two. So if I take y common, it will go like this. 4x, y is taken common, minus 3 is equals to minus 7 minus 5x. Now my target is to isolate y. So what I will do, I will divide both the sides. I will divide both the sides by 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3. So 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3 cancelled. Y is equals to minus 7 minus 5x over 4x minus 3. And now I will replace this y. Step number 4, last step. Inverse of function x is equals to, I will copy this. And this is my answer. So I tried to explain in as easy language as possible. Now you can try some more example from the reference book or anything that you have from your school. I hope you find it useful. If you like my video, don't forget to press the like button. Thanks for watching.